everyone. In this video, I want to talk about 4 reasons why clutter is bad for you. Number 1, it's bad for your health. Here's the thing, clutter produces dust and mold, 2 things that you should not be breathing in on a daily basis. Yet when clutter is all over your house, those are areas you are not regularly dusting and regularly cleaning, and it's not getting the airflow to keep the molds from building. So the number 1 way to get your house cleaner and healthier for you is to declutter. Number 2, clutter can develop into a fire hazard. Oftentimes when things are heating up, they can get tinged, but if clutter is hiding that discoloration, you may not be aware that there is something potentially dangerous that could start fire at any time. So clutter is a fire hazard. Make sure your house is safe and declutter. Number 3, clutter increases your stress level. Now, studies have been done that have measured the cortisol level. Cortisol is your stress hormone level, and it has shown a marked increase that the more clutter and disorganized a home is, the higher the cortisol level in people. So reduce the cortisol level, reduce your stress, and declutter your home. And finally, number 4, clutter is bad for you because it reduces your productivity. Here's the thing, when there's a lot of stuff lying around, your eyes are picking up and receiving those piles, and it keeps you from focusing and keeps you from clarity of thought every time your eyes are picking up on those piles. So by reducing the clutter around you, you become more focused, which will also make you more productive. Okay, so there are the 4 ways that clutter is bad for you. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please let me know and click on that like button below. And go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell as well if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. See you next time. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.